Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to get free trophies fast in Brawl Stars. Trophies are essential for progressing in the game and unlocking new rewards. So today I will show you a method which you can use to climb the trophy ladder quickly. The Bush Dweller strategy is commonly used in Brawl Stars, and this strategy is particularly effective in showdown mode. And for this you have to understand the map layout. Familiarize yourself with the map layout. Knowing where the bushes are and how they're distributed is crucial for this strategy. So pay attention to bush clusters near the center and edges of the map. These are the prime spots for hiding. And once the match starts, quickly move to a strategic bush, avoid open areas, and try to find a spot that offers good cover and visibility. Stay hidden and wait for opponents to come close. As patience is key to this strategy, do not reveal your position unless you have a clear advantage. And as the match progresses, the poison gas will close in, reducing the playable area. Ensure you stay within the safe zone while still utilizing bushes for cover. Move strategically from bush to stay hidden while avoiding the poison gas. And that's how you can gain trophies fast using the bush dweller method in Brawl Stars. Choose the right brawlers, understand the map, position yourself strategically, use the element of surprise, and stay in safe zone. And play smart in the final showdown. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe the How To channel.